In this lesson, we are going to cover one of the coolest things AI can do, and this is content creation. First of all, I'm going to show you how to write blog posts using AI. Then I will show you how to write good social media captions and descriptions. Then I'm going to show you how to actually create content itself, such as images, animations, highlights for Instagram and stuff like this. And then at the end of this lesson, I will also show you how to use AI to boost your video editing and to make it way more efficient. Now, at the end of this lesson, I will also show you my top 10 list of the best AI tools I recommend to you. So, with that said, let's get right into it. All right, so the tool we're going to be using is called ChatGPT. I probably guess all of you have heard of it before. For you that did not, it's just simply one of the most known AI tool by far. Now, what do? We want to make sure that we have, the paid plan, the plan that costs $20 per month, because that is important simply because it gives you better outputs and also it does not have any limits, right? So I feel like this is great investment given the fact that this is going to save you so much of your time. So how to write blog posts. So first thing that you want to do is you want to make the AI do the research for you, right? We want to know what we are going to be writing about. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna tell AI what I'm about to do, right? So let's just have a look. So um in the next 10 minutes, I will want you to write a blog post for me. I will be giving you series of tasks. Do you understand? Sweet. So first thing we have to do is research. So first, and you have to pick a topic, right? So like the topic is like you have to pick it yourself, right? So let's just say, mm, uh, 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 let's just say we want to create a blog post about the importance of AI in marketing in 2025. Okay. So first, um, I want you, and next up, we also want to like know who are we addressing this post to. So what I mean by this, we have to know which kind of audience are we talking to, right? So let's just pretend that we are talking to 30 to 40-year-olds, engineers, right? So first, I want you to make a research for me about the topic. After you do this, I want you to save this information and use it for the writing that I will give you tasks for later on. The topic is 5 reasons why AI is an absolute must if you want to make 6 figures or more with marketing online in 2025. My target audience are IT engineers 30 to 40 years old. Therefore, and this is very important, you've got to write it in a way that just you know makes that that's like appealing to that target audience, right? And you have to say this to ChatGPT, right? Therefore, you have to make sure that you give them information they will be impressed about and something that is actually valuable to them. Please do your research and save it for future use. And just we're just gonna click, right? Very, very simple. Now it's gonna do all the research for you, right? Okay. Now this is very short, right? So what do we want to do? Okay. I want you to do way more detailed research. This will not impress anybody. 3,000 words minimum. Please double check so that you don't waste time. Okay. Yeah, this is better, right? This is way, way better. Okay, this is sweet, right? Okay. Now, what do we want to do next? Based on this information, please give me an outline for this blog post. Then you have to tell it the main goal of your blog post, which could be the main target of this blog post is to simply give value to our audience. No selling, no lead generation. All right. So let's see what happens. Sweet. So you see, like, this is absolutely amazing. Now, the next thing that we want to do is we want to tell it which kind of blog post we want it to write, right? So, um, say perfect. Now, based on this outline, write the blog post. Now, very important things that are key in there are those things, right? So, first of all, write a converse, write in conversational tone, third grade level. That will resonate. This is very important with our target audience, right? Like a human. Do not sound like a gimmick or AI. Also, make sure the post flows perfectly from one sentence to the other. This is very important, right? Now, uh, um, let me just quickly see. Yeah, we also wanted to. If you don't care about the length, then you don't need to write. But like blog posts should be anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words, right? The length must be at least 1,200 words minimum. Double check if you followed all the comments. Make sure the blog post is very easy to read and navigate through, right? So, like, what we're doing here, we're giving it basic kind of direction on what to do and what not to do, simply because if you do that, it will produce amazing results. And like the third grade level being conversational, that applies to majority of content online, right? Then you all obviously tell it that it has to resonate with the target audience so that it doesn't sound like AI. That's also important. Then you select the length and then um, What I like to do, I just like tell it double check if you followed all the comments because AI can sometimes just like be not smart and just like ignore, stuff. So, yeah. Sweet. All right. This is pretty solid, right? This is absolutely amazing. Like, do you see? This is great. Content is a king, but creating content is a time drain. Like, the flow is perfect, right? So, and like I'm recording this video for 11 minutes right now. So I've literally, and I've spent some time on intro, right? So it's like 9 minutes, 9 minutes to write an amazing blog. So you see like how amazing that is. Absolutely incredible. Now, let's just go to the second thing, which is going to be how to create content with AI. Now, I'm not going to show you like how to like let ChatGPT create pictures because I feel like that's just limited. But I'm personally using one tool that is called Canva, and like it's enhanced with AI, and it's absolutely amazing. And I'm just going to show you some walkthrough and how to use it because it's like unreal how easy that is, right? So let's do it. Okay, so right here we are inside the Canva, which is the tool I'm using for content creation. Now I'm going to show you some like small stuff and how to like navigate through it, which is very simple. But after that, I'm going to show you a feature that they launched recently, which is called Magic Design, and it's absolutely unreal. So with that said, let's just go over Canva, right? So we've got home, which we basically like can create design, right? Here you can upgrade your plan. Like I'm not using Canva right now, but I used to do that a lot. And so you can literally just, upgrade your plan right here. Then if you click here, you've got all your past, projects. Then, templates is what it says. Basically, Canva is like a library of editable templates, right? Now, a lot of templates are in the professional, plan, but a lot of them are also not so like you can do some stuff for free, right? Now, if you see, like, it gives you whiteboards, it gives you Instagram posts, Facebook ads posts, like even like websites, right? Like website designs, like Facebook covers, videos, and mind you, you can literally, I mean, literally edit everything, right? So let's just have a look, right? This is like Instagram stories, right? Instagram posts, flyers, posters, docs, resumes, logos, documents, like, and all you have to do, right? Let me just click on something, right? And you just click on it and you just click on customize template, and that's pretty much that. And like you can actually like edit the text, you know, edit the video, edit the speed, literally like edit the video speed, the playback, do you want to play it on repeat, the audio, you can enhance the volume. If you want to, you can also enhance voice, which is, obviously in the paid plan. And right here, what you can do, right? Because you see like there's multiple videos, right? You can literally just like edit it inside the Canva. Like you don't even need like a video editor, right? It's like you can literally just, if I don't like this, I can just, delete it. If I want to make this video shorter a little bit, I can just, shorten it like this. Yeah, it's absolutely unreal, right? It's like I can do whatever. I can even add like a new video to it, right? Absolutely amazing. And we can literally just do it with everything, right? And just quickly go at the beginning, which is right here. When we go home, right? What we can do is we can literally go and just click create design. And then, Canva asks us what we want to create, and there's literally like when it comes down to social media and like internet in general, there are literally, and I mean literally templates for everything. So let's just say YouTube thumbnail, right? And do you see like it gives you all the, resolutions, um, fitness, Instagram posts, right? So it doesn't have that. That doesn't matter. So we're gonna just go with, Instagram post. Boom. And here we go, right? Now, when we go to the left, we are simply going to, it gives us templates in the resolution of Instagram, right? So, which is absolutely like unreal, right? So it's just, um, yeah, let's just say fitness challenge, right? Um, yeah, and let's just see. Yeah, and right here we can literally like, you can literally just, like paste it in. And then once you're here, you can literally just like do whatever you want with it, right? Like just by clicking it, deleting it, or if you want to add something, you just simply, let me quickly show you elements, upload, and right here you will just, upload files, and then you will move it in here, and you will, like enhance the size. You can change the font. Like you can literally do everything. Like this is as easy as it can get, right? You can delete the pictures, like you can do all of this, right? Very simple. So this is how you do it. Like literally just play with Canva. Like it requires like zero knowledge about design. Like me personally, I can do like no designs and I still found it very easy. So do that. It is worth it. Now, the AI, because I feel like Canva just uses AI all the time, right? Like you just don't see it, right? Because like all these, automatic like designs, templates is just, on the next level. Now, the full out AI, feature of Canva is something called Magic Design, right? And what is Magic Design? It's very simple. You basically give it your description of the design, and then based on your words, it simply designs whatever you want. So let's just do something creative. Um, let's just say like Spider-Man, right? Spider-Man flying in the town, escaping, villains. For example, right? Let's just see what it gives us. And I'm saying that okay, okay, okay. So this gives us because obviously, it doesn't have licensed pictures. So let's just say let's do something more generic. Let's just do emotional, emotional and motivational inst Instagram fitness posts. So let's see what happens. Obviously, this technology is new, but I still feel like it's absolutely unbelievable, right? Look, emotional and motivational Instagram fitness post. Like this is pretty cool picture, right? This is dope. Like I know like you have to give it some personality, right? But like just think of like how much you can get out of this if you were to just spend, few minutes on this, right? Like it gives you beautiful posts, right? Um, let's just say football, um, football match, cool football match invitation, right? Just see, see. Let's just see. Maybe we could have said flyer. Yeah, this is nice. We can. What can we say? Let's just say Facebook. Facebook ads. Um, fitness. Facebook ad creative aimed to capture leads with lead magnet that is 10-day app workout challenge. Let's see if it can like take such long okay, sweet. So it gives us yeah. You have to be like you have to be a little bit more specific. So let's just say Facebook ads creative for fitness and also not so complicated, right? So Facebook ad creative for fitness program. Yeah. Like, do you see like this is cool? This is cool. Like the AI, it just like gives you like these templates, right? And like we've literally just spent zero time on it. And like this technology is just gonna get better and better. So I just wanted to show this to you and like you have to like use it by yourself, but like I feel like this is absolutely unreal tool, right? So yeah, I just wanted to show you this. And we will, what we are gonna do, I'm gonna show you something called Weed.io, which is an online video creation and AI powered tool. So let's go over that. All right, so again, we are on the We.io homepage. Now, I just wanted to clearly mention that this is no advertisement. I'm just, using it myself. As you can clearly see, here's my professional profile. And I just wanted to show you this because Weed, in my opinion, alongside CapCut, are like the best tools when it comes down to video editing because they save you so much of your time, right? So let me just show you what are the features and benefits. So they give you auto subtitles. Like this is big, right? Imagine you're creating, an educational content or you want to like captions for your social media content. This gives you this in like matter of seconds, right? Text to speech, very, very simple, right? It's just, you know, Next thing, this is a big one, right? I'm personally using this, for example, when imagine I'm recording a course and like dog, for example, barks in the background. Like if I were to, manually remove all these sounds and like all these things, I would, spend on it tons of time. But like because this gives you background removal, then the background noise removal, then you can easily just click a button and it's gone, and like the accuracy is like 99%, so it's unreal, right? Next thing, which is big, you can remove background from video. Unreal stuff. Next thing that the AI can do, it can generate your script for your videos. Again, unreal. Next thing it can do, it can transcribe video, which is basically extracting script, from your videos to a written form. Next thing it can do, it can generate images. It can also translate videos, which I've never tried, but this is great. Generate music. I feel like this still has got a long way to go, but yeah, background image removal. Next thing, this is very, very important. It can correct your, eye position when it comes down to camera. Now, I personally don't use it. I still believe in this kind of natural tone where I, like look at different places. I'm not just like a robot, like staring at you all the time. I feel like that's not natural, so I don't use that, but like definitely cool. So with that said, let's go over Weed and I'm just gonna show you like how to use it. So when you purchase your plan, which is like 20 euros or something like this, which is like 25 bucks or 22 bucks, you get in here, right? Now, what you can do are a couple of things, right? First of all, you can create a new project, right? That's super simple. Then you can record video, create avatar of yourself, which is crazy. You can also, create clips from longer video, which is amazing. Like, especially if you're, using like if you're using social media, right? Then just saves you so much of time. And then obviously text to video, and then it can translate your video, but I've never used it. Now, with the AI edits, let's go over them. So when we go over here, again, it gives us these features. So we're gonna, try two things: generate subtitles and remove background. Okay. So let's just go to the subtitles. So first thing we do, we simply click and we upload our video. Now, after this is one of the videos I did for one of our other courses, so I just wanted to like mention that, and really we will use this as an example, right? And I'll wait and I'll be back until the video uploads, right? So we finally uploaded. Now you simply click auto subtitle in English or whatever language you have. Like if you look, just like there's literally like every single language like possible. Or like not every single language, but like a lot of languages, right? So just click auto subtitle in English. It generates super fast. This is like 2.5 minute video, and look how fast this goes. So again, I'll be right back. All right. So subtitles generated 1 minute later, and just look. You see, like this is absolutely unreal, right? It just gave us like subtitles, in like minutes, right? It's absolutely unreal. Now, let me quickly just show you like how to, edit them because that's, super, super simple. Just click on subtitles, right? And then what you're gonna do is you click on the style and you just pick it. Like, you can just, yeah, we can literally, it's absolutely unreal, right? Like, yeah, it's absolutely unreal. So I'm just wanted to show you this. Next thing we will do is the background removal. Okay, so we'll click on remove background. Again, we will upload a file and let's just wait a moment. All right, now once the file is uploaded, what you simply do is that you click on Magic Tools and you click on remove background. And let's just wait, right? Right, so the background has been removed. The only thing that no, it's actually removed. Like the only thing that stayed there is my chair, which is like literally, everything. And do you see like this is absolutely like unreal. Like this is amazing, right? Like I can literally create another background and the video looks kind of clean. Like obviously there's a few errors, but other than that, like guys, look, and like I'm saying, like if you see any subtitles in this course, which you will obviously see, these are generated by the we.io, and I'm here to tell you it's gonna take me like 1 minute for each video of this course. So I just wanted to show you this like overall, like you can literally, get advantage of all these remaining tools, and all these are like literally like the simplest things on planet Earth. Like, I'm not good in editing videos, and like, look, like this is just like this saves you like crazy amounts of time, you know. Also, let's just try the eye contact thing, right? Let's just see. Let's just see the eye contact. This would be, interesting too. Um, so yeah. You can also, if you see right here, right? Removing silences. This is absolutely unreal feature. It basically lets you like cut out all the dead and awkward pauses. So like again, like I'm saying, this is an unreal thing, right? It's just so unreal. Like it lets you, just cut out, all these, weird like um and stuff like that, right? It can also let you clean auto subtitle, like yeah, it's just great. And also the magic cut, which removes arms, ahs, and bad takes, right? So it's unreal again. It all is, visible to you, or it's accessible when you just access these magic tools. And all you have to do is to upload your video. So let's just wait before it fixes the eye contact and let's see what happens. All right, so we're done. And I'm just looking at the camera. This is absolutely crazy. The eye contact is being kept. It works. So yeah, this is great. Again, accessible through the magic tools, right? All right. Now, with that being said, let me just quickly show you some of the best tools you can use AI for. So, first of all, ChatGPT is, for writing. Grammarly is here to fix grammar and just improve your writing. Like when you make some mistakes, it automatically fixes your grammar. Now, if you have ChatGPT already, I feel like you can just simply tell it like, hey, please look at this, fix grammar mistakes, do not fix the tone because you don't want to corrupt like the writing style. And then I feel like ChatGPT is just gonna do amazing job, like absolutely unreal. Jasper is another AI writing tool. I would say it's better than ChatGPT because it's literally just like for writing, and it lets you write in different styles and tones, which is again unreal. Surfer SEO, which makes your writing show up on Google, so it's SEO optimized. Next up, Writesonic. This lets you create short and long content quickly. Then the next thing, obviously, Canva, Runway ML, which, like lets you make art and edit videos. DALI, which, lets you create custom images from text, which is unreal. By the way, Nike used DALI for one of their ads, if I'm not mistaken. I'm quickly going to show you because this is very interesting. All right, so I just found it. I'll just play this to you. It's actually absolutely unreal. Like this is the commercial that Nike, used. I don't know if you guys know, but also Travis Scott used AI for one of his commercials, one of his like shoes. And yeah, this is generated with AI, which I feel like is unreal. And this, by the way, is like 1 year old or more than 1 year old. So this just shows you the power of the AI, right? It's just unreal. Next thing I would recommend you when we come back to the AI tools is Pictory AI, which turns text into videos. Crazy. Lumen 5, this converts blocks into professional videos. That's very specific category, by the way. Next up, Descript, which edits videos by editing text. This is absolutely unreal. You basically what you do, right? I've used Descript for one of my clients I work with, and basically what you do is that you upload a video. Let's just imagine I uploaded video into Weed.io, and instead of me editing it by like the clips, the Descript automatically generates videos, right? And then sorry, it automatically generates like the transcript of the video so that you see the text. And whenever you click on particular word, it takes you, to that sequence of the video. And when you remove that one word, the Descript automatically removes that part of the video. Like it's absolutely unreal. Highly recommend it. Then next, Adobe Premiere Pro. Obviously, it like gives you multiple, functions. Camtasia, easy screen recording and editing. Capwing, this adds captions and edits videos, but honestly, for video editing, I would either recommend you We.io or Loom, which is a tool I record this this course on, right? And then I edit it within we.io. So with that said, I hope you guys learned something new, but like if you think about it, I've shown you all these different tools. Whenever you go to any of these other tools, I didn't like show you on the screen, but I recommend it to you. It will be so easy for you to use as these others I've actually shown you. So like don't be worried about that. This is absolutely unreal if you were to ask me, and just try it because all these tools cost anywhere from 15 to 30 bucks per month, and they save you so much of your time. So yeah, this is it guys.